In this video, we will download the Docker images required for Mergin Maps Enterprise Edition. This step assumes that the Docker is already installed and configured on the server. Mergin Maps Enterprise Edition uses private Docker images for both the backend and the front end. During the Enterprise Edition onboarding process, customers receive a personal access token or PAT, which provides access to the private Docker Hub repository. Once the token has been provided, we can log into the Docker Hub from the command line. Use your own Docker Hub username provided during the Mergin Maps Enterprise Edition onboarding process. Run the Docker login command and enter the personal access token when prompted for the password. After successful authentication, Docker confirms that the login has succeeded. Alternatively, the token can be passed using the password standard input option. However, storing the token in plain text file is not recommended. After logging in, we can confirm access to the private repository by pulling both required images. Always use the correct version tag for the Mergin Maps release you want to install. First, pull the Mergin Maps Enterprise Edition backend image, and then pull the front-end image using the same release version. Once both images have been downloaded successfully, they are ready for the next stage of the Mergin Maps Enterprise Edition deployment.